Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a break from naughty, fun sex toys and we're going to be reviewing some gorgeous jewelry from Italo Jewelry. Now I have done a video on their jewelry before, so I'm really happy to share again with you some new selections. And I don't know if you guys have been watching my Instagram stories, but I did get my ear piercings redone. For some reason, I completely abandoned them. I got rid of them. The only one I kept was this one up top on my cartilage. I've always been into piercings, especially little, selections like these with the hoops, and I've always wanted a pair of long hoops, which I'm gonna have in about a second to show you. I also have some rings. This is all fashion jewelry from Italo Jewelry, like I said. They have so many different selections. It was really hard to choose what I liked, but with time I came to a good choice with those three. So without any further delay, let's get into it. First off, shout out to Italo for these gorgeous little present boxes that they send you your jewelry in. Here it's like white satin with a gold shimmer Italo jewelry, and it has like this pretty ribbon. I really like to show you guys packaging that is, more than just the usual plastic bag. It obviously comes with little cards and it shows you how to clean your jewelry. So the jewelry care guide, and then it comes with your sterling silver certificate that proves that it's real sterling silver, and it even shows the metal count. Here it has their 1-year warranty card. Of course, if you don't like their jewelry, you can always return it or get it replaced. And it also has their 60-day return policy. So if you don't like your jewelry, you can return it and they will do a full coverage return, or even an exchange. They have a lot of stuff on their website, so I don't see why you wouldn't want to exchange it for something that you'll love. And COVID going around, they even wanted to point out how safe they are with their disinfections of the jewelry. So they do surgical mask, gloves, eye protection, cap, and gown when handling your product. What also came in my gorgeous little present box is this silver polishing cloth, perfect for cleaning things with. And finally, we have arrived to the jewelry itself. Here it came in this pretty jewelry box. It is blue and it says Italo on it, their logo. And let's open her. Ooh, little protective gel. They are nice and safe with plastic wrap. We're gonna get that out and we're gonna try them on right now. So here they are, first impressions. They're really nice and they're a nice thickness. They have little cubic zirconia gems all around the ring of the earrings, and then they cut off right there in the back. So these are made to show the diamonds in the front, and then it's also going to have diamonds showing in the back. As you can see, let me see if my camera decides to close up. There we go. As you can see, it has this pretty diamond right there, and then right there in the back, you're gonna have diamonds there. So when you have them on, obviously they're going to be facing in this direction, so you're gonna be able to see diamonds in the front and the diamonds on the rear side. Even though it doesn't have diamonds going all around, it is like an optical illusion. Let's try them on. Yes, super cute, so pretty. And they're like the perfect length. They're not like crazy long where it's just outrageous, but they're nice length, so they do bring attention to your ears but at the same time they complement your face. Very dangly, not heavy at all, being that they're a sterling silver. They're gonna be lighter in weight, which is basically a super plus because you don't want earrings drooping your cartilage down, so it's like, saggy where you look like you have gauges after wearing such heavy earrings. and these just kind of hook on, and I really like the strength of the hook, so you don't have to worry about it going all over the place. They are going to stay nice and sturdy throughout the day, throughout your night. I'm really, really impressed. You guys, look at these. They are so pretty. Okay, let's move on to those rings. They're so cute. I'm dying to show you. Now, rings are definitely a very, very popular accessory now. I feel like you don't even need to wear bracelets anymore. You just cover your fingers in blingy rings and you are good to go. The rings came in their own packaging, of course. Same concept, nice satin box with the ribbon, magnetic close, and then it comes with all of your information, including another polishing cloth. These, of course, came in little tinier boxes because they are rings, so they look like little engagement ring boxes. Super cute. I'm gonna surprise myself with which one I'm gonna show you first. This one. Ooh, there it is. Look at that. So pretty. It is cubic zirconia and it just looks amazing. I liked how it looks like a stackable ring, but it's all one ring, and then it is just so sparkly, so shiny. It looks like white gold. It looks like diamonds, and it's not gonna get green, you guys, because it is a sterling silver, so it's basically going to last forever. It's actually cold to touch. Oh my gosh, how beautiful. It fits just right. Nice and smooth. I think I would even want to put it right there because I'd want to wear it as fashion jewelry. Just look at that shine, look at that sparkle. You can see how it has one ring of smaller gemstones, and then the center has huge gemstones, and then it has that other ring of smaller gemstones. Like I said, it's all connected. You don't have to worry about having like stackable rings. It just fits on just like that. Very comfy, glides on and off, no problems, and I really do like it on my middle finger. I think it fits nicely there. I got the size 8. This next one, just look at that. Also sterling silver, but obviously it's a different look because it is that beautiful pink color. It is also rose gold metal. This one is plated in rose gold, and it has a huge, beautiful stone right there in the center, and then 2 gorgeous white stones on the side. I wanted something pink because your girl wears pink a lot. I want something to match my outfits, and I thought this was the perfect ring, and I'm definitely happy I chose this one because it's just so beautiful. You guys, I can't wait to wear this stuff out. So pretty. Just look at that. Oh my god. Look at them together. They even complement each other with just how blingin' they are. They look so good. This one, oh my god, the shine to it and that rose gold. It really makes sense. I love rose gold. I think it matches my shirt. It's actually a full outfit. Maybe I'll get up and do a little swirl for you guys so you guys can see what I'm wearing. Super cute, huh? Says everything sucks. Except for Italo Jewelry, obviously, because it's just hitting right now. So perfect. This thing is so big. It is like hanging off my finger. I like that, by the way. But wow, I love the shape of this, that rectangle shape on the gemstone, just beautiful. Like I said, these aren't gonna get green. These are gonna last forever and they're gonna look so good. You just gotta keep them clean. Make sure you use your polishing cloth. I even have, you know, jewelry cleaner. Toothbrush with that jewelry cleaner, it'll do the job perfectly. You guys, comment down below which one is your favorite. I have to say my favorite is the rings, okay? I do love the earrings, but these rings are just giving me life, and these earrings, I think they all look so good together. I didn't realize that I got like a set, but it all works. Alright guys, so that is it. Like I said, comment down below which one your favorite was. I told you mine. I can't wait to hear yours. And get in that description. I'm going to have the links, of course, to these. I have special links for you guys to use. Please help me out and click those links. It'll mean so much to me. And don't forget about Italo Jewelry, okay? They have amazing selections, 60-day return policy, 1-year warranty, worldwide free shipping. Can't go wrong with them. I will have a special discount code as well. It's gonna be BA20 for 20% off your order. You guys, don't miss out. I'll be waiting in those comments to see which one your favorite is, okay? Anyways, back to the normal schedule of fun adult reviews. I'll see you there. Bye.